Hi guys, I made Aliante $100 loaded into this on the main floor, Huff and even more puff machine. Darko played on this one today with free play, and he had a lot of money. Like for $50 free play, he was playing $1 and he got 200 something dollars. So like I thought, like, you know what, let's go back and try that baby one more time. Obviously that was great timing that he chose. Well, let's see, maybe maybe machine has like cycles and now that cycle is back. How about that? That would be cool. Playing 5 cents, $3. Let's see, what is the movie have for me today? Three more. Come on, Wolfie. Start howling. One more. Oh, almost. Next time. Ah, this was next time. What? Come on, don't do only empty spins. Okay, this is something. $13 or something like that. $13.50. Third time you're doing that. I don't like that game. I don't want to play like that. Come on, Wolfie. Do it. That is $6. I'm very ready for 3 salts. Come on. Keep cheering for Wolfie. Come on, Wolfie. How many times I said come on, Wolfie? And he's like nothing, playing dumb. I should say come on, piggies, maybe. Come on, piggies. Wolfie's not listening, but maybe you will listen. No? Okay, adding $100 more. We are going to increase bet to $4 now. That's 2 cents, $4. That's 25 spins, right? What was here? Oh, that's bad and sad. No, I guess that one was hot only for Darko. It's a lot of spins with nothing. Why are you like that? Are really empty, like completely empty. So third 100 I will add, and then we are playing $6, and that's about it. I mean, honestly, there's like way too many spins. like one bonus maybe, or one decent line hit. Come on, start howling. Ooh, shoot. Oh my, these hats, no enough hats, and Wolfie is not passing by. I can't believe it. Nothing. Nothing really. Bad Wolfie. Alright, let's move on. This is, yeah, I'm not going to do more. Let's do one time $3. That's it. Let's move on. I don't know, like maybe should I go like $100, 1 cent, $5. I don't know. I rarely play that. Well, let's do it. I will stop the reels. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Everything is... Oh my god. Talking about bad timing. I never seen anything like this before. This is like ultimate bad timing. Nothing. Okay, let's move on. I'm going to break machine. How angry I am now. Let's move on. $100 more, $3 best. Come on, Wolfie, wake up, man. It's $500. We took $500 like in a minute. Couple of minutes. Yeah. I got nothing to show here, guys. Oh my god. It was so hot for the Arco, like super hot. And there you go. I guess it pays a lot and then it stops a lot, you know? One more. Last spin. That's it. Alright, let's do Railroad Riches. Our main floor. I played this game maybe once. I didn't get bonus, or maybe I got bonus, I don't remember. Let's see. If I change to 10 cents, that's $7.50. That's too much. Let's do 5 cents. 5 cents would be $3.75. Okay. I loaded $100 to machine. Come on, like give me a train. That's kind of cool. That's $12.50, okay. Come on, bonus times 3, please. much is happening. I didn't have a chance to get hooked on this machine because each time when I played I didn't get anything. So oh shoot.
I'm curious, did you film in case you win? Or you
What was that? I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said, I'm just curious, do you always film play or only?
I'm filming for YouTube. This is now live for YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Just curious.
Yeah, no problem. All right, something is happening now. Train is saying, I don't know what's happening with train, but like I'll take it. Okay, this is I think called the spin feature, right? Yeah, spin feature. Will I get more? I don't know. Oh, okay, that's happening. I forgot. Alright guys, 500 or actually 5,000 credits, but $100 loaded into Railroad Riches. I was just recording this one and I got train and all the stuff and I got $500 and then I realized that I wasn't recording. So let's try one more time. How about you repeat that gold train and then we get to show people. But yeah, no joke guys, this is $500. I got golden train. This is, by the way, my first bonus ever on that machine and I blow it. Oh my god, I can't believe that I messed up. It's okay, I'll get another one. Give me another one, please. Let's do money back full screen. Banks? Okay. Banks are good too. This bonus, you gonna sound of the bonuses feels like, oh my god, oh, 2 more. No. It's been missing too. We need this random bonus. $15. Oh. Okay, let's put that 500 in. I'm still going to play 375. Says please wait, access the system, ticket in. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do something amazing here. It's the same ticket that you like. Yeah? Oh, this is Wilds. Okay. Money, money, money. Okay, bank. I do have one bank, but I don't know how much. I kind of hope it's a lot of money. Okay, this goes only here, but the rest is bank. 57. All right, I'll take it. I needed this line. Oh, that line would be great. That reel would be great in combination with wilds. Bank.
Here we go.
Here we go. Wilds. Money, 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 bank. Okay, I got a little bit of money and a little bit of bank too. All right. 52, I'll take it. Oh, one short of golden spin feature. Oh! That's $11. Money, money. Ooh. We need more money. We need wild now in this combination. 23. I have to say, after I experienced that golden train, this game is really fun for me. I find it really fun. It wasn't like that until I experienced golden train. One more! Oh shoot. $5. What a numbers! Look at this, 150 each. Well, I needed 6. Just teasing, huh? Beautiful numbers. Can you imagine to start with 3 times 150? Start with 450. Oh, that would be cool. Oh. Give me train. Hold and spin feature, please. Oh, it doesn't capture this too? Oh no. No, it's only first 3 reels. I mean, it's fun because it's something is happening. It's kind of like a lot of activity. Obviously, one needs to be careful with money because that activities can, you know, like side effect is it like not all of these activities are actually giving you money. Oh, okay, this is 5 of kind. Woo-hoo! I don't know how much this is, but I like it. Too bad that this one was not money. Ooh, 43. I thought it's so much more, man. There was so much sound and like bonus now. Boom. No. It's just 43. 3. to come. Come on. More money. $32. Those big ones. I saw that you have $150. Oh yeah, those 6. Can you do 6 like that? Numbers are getting a little bit bigger, but we still need 6 balls. Do it. Should I change my bet? I don't know. If I go to 10 cents, that will be $7.50, and I'm not ready to play $7.50. Maybe I should do a few spins. Let's do a few spins. 10 cents, $7.50. Oh, give me that random bonus now. Okay, 5 of a kind. Ah, base 22 only. Two more. No, yeah. Let's go back to 5 cents, $3.75. I will have to get at least one more train. I mean, I really feel bad that I didn't record the previous. Okay, something. Give me that. Oh, these are wilds. Money here, please. Let's bang. Okay. That's $16. Come on, let's do it. I think that I should play until 300, and that's about it. I put 200 in, so 300 would be still a win for this machine. Just would like to get that bonus though. What do we have on 2 cents? On 2 cents, we have $4.50. Let's do that. No, nothing is happening. Okay, 1 cent, $3. No. Okay, back to 5 cents, $3.75. Floor is 300, and we are moving on. After that big big golden train machine just bought. It's kind of expected, you know. That's okay. A few more spins. Last spin. Okay, let's move on. Alright, let's do Dancing Drum Prosperity. We are going to play, I don't know, 588. Let's start with 588. I'm torn between 288 or 588. Come on. Empty spins, not cool. Oh my god, how many empty spins? Not good. $12. Moving to 288. Okay, now when I moved to 288, machine decided to do what? Well, nothing. Okay. Floor is 200 and then we are moving. Why? Because machine seems very cold. We don't have time or money for cold machines, right? Let's do it again. Come on. Oh my. Okay, I went too far. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's try Buddha in high limit room now. These are progressives. Let's... Come on, Buddha, give me bonus as soon as possible, man. Jacks, 4 of a kind, $9. We need a little bit more Buddha. Is this too loud? Okay, now I think it's better. Oh. Two more, yes. Oh my god, guys. Holy shoot. 500 bucks, 250, 100. Oh my god, I love you, Buddha, man. Oh, so sexy. This is the best screen ever. Right when I needed one. Come on. Bigger. Just follow the lead. Follow the lead. These two are leaders. Follow the lead. Smack, 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 smack. Thank you for smack. Thank you for the smack. Do it one more time. One more time. Come on. Come on. Smack it. Smack. Smack, 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 smack. 100. I love it. More. Oh my god, there's minor too. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Smack, smack, smack. Oh wow. I love these two. Beautiful, Buddha, beautiful. That is on $5 bet. That's crazy. I think this is jackpot. Yeah, it is jackpot. $5 jackpot, I'll take it. 1,300. Thank you, Buddha. Oh, so cool. Okay, let's wait for this money and they'll play. Now everything seems so much lighter and brighter in my life. Let's, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. Money is in my pocket. Let's put my card back. So I can't believe it, but this ended up to be a positive session after all that. Like, it was exciting, but when I was playing Railroad Riches, but then I was so disappointed that I didn't record. But I still end up positive, obviously, thanks to Buddha. So let's play down this 100 to see if there's any back-to-back-ish for me. And if not, let's call it a day. This was really very exciting. It was beautiful, beautiful hit. Let's do it one more time, Buddha. $37. Okay. Thank you. Two more. Oh, numbers were again very pretty. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Thank you for trying, Buddha. Thank you for trying. Suddenly I have understanding for Buddha. No, I was like really, really very happy with that bonus. Come on, let's do three more each time. Just instead of giving me 3, just decide to give me 6 or 3 pots. No? Okay, it's okay. Buddha is tired now. Alright, finishing up with the lucky chance spin winner. What are we winning? Oh, a little bit of Buddha and coins. That's 250, right at a half. So I do still have a chance for winner. No, no. All right. Hey, this is a really good session. Thank you all for watching. Very exciting at the end. Have a good one, guys.